Hey y'all, Iamdejahair here. Today I'm going to show you how to add an elastic band to your wigs. The first thing that you want to do is turn on your machine. Then you want to go ahead and grab your elastic band. I got this elastic band from Amazon. I will leave the link down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and comment any future videos that you would like to see. Now you want to go ahead and grab your wig, and you want to flip the wig inside out. Let's just take a minute and look at the inside of the construction. This is the wig that I made on the sewing machine. The inside of the wig is always the best part for me once I finish a wig, okay? Go ahead and book your class. The link will be down below. You want to go ahead and locate the third track starting from the top, okay? 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do it again. 1, 2, 3. Once you locate that third track, you want to place your elastic band right under there, and you want to move all of the hair out of the way, okay? Because you don't want to sew the elastic band onto the hair. So clear that pathway. Once you clear it out, you want to go ahead, that is exactly how it's going to look. You want to go ahead and take your elastic band and place it horizontal right on the end of the cap, okay? Just like that. Then you want to go ahead and place it under the presser foot, and you want to go ahead and begin sewing. So you want to go ahead and sew forward till you get to the other side of the elastic band, okay? And you want to back stitch 3 to 4 times, okay? That was once. This is twice. You want to go forward, go backwards again because we're just back stitching. Come forward, and then you want to go back to the other side, okay? Now we're going to back stitch the front side, okay, because we want it to be very secure. So go ahead and back stitch, go forward a little bit, back stitch again, and you are done with that side, okay? And you want to go ahead, grab you some scissors, or just use the end of that machine and take off the thread, okay? Now you want to take your elastic band and bring it to the other side. So you can just bring it around top and find that third track again. So you want to count 1, 2, 3. This is where it is going to be placed. And then you want to move the hair out of the way because you don't want to sew on the hair, okay? Once it is clear, you're going to go ahead and place the elastic band on the cap horizontally again and place it under your presser foot, okay? And you want to go ahead and begin sewing to the opposite side. And you want to back stitch 3 to 4 times. Okay? Once you finish back stitching, you want to start from the front and back stitch the front part at least 3 to 4 times. And then you want to cut off all the thread. And then your elastic band is now sewn onto your wig. That is how you add an elastic band onto your wigs. This is an adjustable elastic band, so they can adjust it to how tight or loose they would like it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for any future videos that you would like to see.